Good morning, children. Children, please take your English 1 book, page number 109. Take page number 109. Children, yesterday we learned punctuation marks lesson. Lesson 27, punctuation marks. And in that we learned the main punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question mark, and exclamation mark. Which were they? Full stop, comma, question mark, and exclamation mark. So today we are going to learn the exercises. There are exercises A, B, C. Three exercises are there. So all the three exercises we will learn, and if we get time, all three we will do now in the class. Okay, all are ready? So we will start now. First, exercise A, page number 109. Exercise A, page number 109. Please take, children, and read. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters and full stops. What's the meaning of that? Rewrite the following sentences. You have to write these sentences again. How you will write? Putting capital letters and full stops. In this, what you have to do? You have to put the capital letters when you are writing the same sentence. You have to put the capital letter also and then full stop also. Okay, and then full stop also. And children, if there is less place, see, look in the book, all of you. You can see here place is less to write one sentence. So what you will do? You can draw this line till here. You can draw this line till here. All understood? Or you can start writing from here. Just after the full stop, from here. From here you can start writing. Then you will get a place. Otherwise place will be less. Okay? Yes. Now, read number 1. I met Richa at the post office. I met Richa at the post office. What is the meaning of that? मैंने रिचा को पोस्ट ऑफिस में देखा, है ना? So how will you do the changes? कैपिटल लेटर्स आपको लगाना है, फुल स्टॉप लगाना है. ये दोनों चीज का बहुत ध्यान रखना है. आप लोगों को एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा. Rewrite the sentences by putting proper punctuation marks. Rewrite the sentences by putting proper punctuation marks. So there you will not get which one you have to write, capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. Everything you have to think and write. Okay, everything you have to think and write. So first sentence, I met Richa at the post office. How will you write? Children, I is given there small letter. So what we have to do when we are writing the answer, we have to write I capital. So children, start writing number 1, the answer on the line. But you will start from here. Children, you start from here, otherwise you will not get to place. You will not get to place. So you start from here, then only this sentence will come here. Okay, start writing. I capital, I capital. I met Richa, R capital. Richa is the name of a girl. Richa is the name of a girl. So R also capital. I met Richa at the post office. At the post office. I met Richa at the post office. After office, full stop. After office, full stop. I met Richa at the post office. I met Richa at the post office. Now we are going to do the second exercise. Children, all of you write this in your book. All of you write this in your book. Page number 109. Page number 109. I met Richa at the post office. Now, all of you write very beautifully in the book, okay? Nobody should do untidy work. Handwriting should be beautiful and no spelling mistake. All of you check the spellings and don't make any mistake. Now we are going to write number 2. Now we are going to write number 2. Read. Sarita is an old friend of mine. Sarita is an old friend of mine. What is the meaning of that? My one old friend, her name is Sarita. What is the name of my old friend? Sarita. Sarita is the name of a girl. Sarita is the name of a girl. So S should be capital letter and last full stop. Only two things. First letter capital and then last full stop. Start writing. Sarita is an old friend of mine. After mine, put full stop. Sarita is an old friend of mine. Now, third one, number 3. Chinese is difficult to learn. Chinese is difficult to learn. Chinese is the name of a language like English, Hindi, Kannada, Urdu, Sanskrit, Malayalam. Like this, different languages are there. Okay, in our country, different languages, and in different places, different countries, different language. So, Chinese is difficult to learn. It is very difficult to learn Chinese language. So, Chinese is the name of a language and the name and the first letter of the sentence. First letter of the sentence. So, Chinese C should be capital and then last full stop, right? Chinese C capital. Capital C, children write like this, capital C. Chinese is difficult to learn. Chinese is difficult to learn. Chinese is difficult to learn. And children, all of you check first letter should be capital. Okay, first letter should be capital. Here, Richa also are capital because it is the name of a girl. Then after every sentence, you have to put full stop. After every sentence, you have to put full stop. Okay, clear? Now I'm going to rub the board. Now we will write number 4 and 5. Okay. Now I am going to rub the board. Have you finished writing? Children, now write number 4. Miss Sonal is my teacher. Miss Sonal is my teacher. What is the name of my teacher? Miss Sonal. So how will you write Miss M capital? S capital and last full stop. Right? Miss M capital, Sonal S capital, Miss Sonal is my teacher. Miss Sonal is my teacher. Full stop. Miss Sonal is my teacher. Full stop. Miss M capital, Sonal S capital. Then last full stop. Now last one, number 5. They still live in that house. They still live in that house. That means they are living in that house now also. They are in that house now also. So they, T capital, it is the first letter of the sentence. It is the first letter of the sentence. They capital. So T you will write capital. They still live in that house. They still live in that house. After house, full stop. After house, full stop. Now, children, we are going to do exercise B. Now we are going to do exercise B. Yes. In exercise B, what we have to do? All of you look in the book and read the question. Rewrite the following sentences by putting capital letters, commas, and full stops. What is the meaning of it? Rewrite the following sentences. In this also, you have to write the sentence again. By putting capital letters, here also, first letter, you have to put capital. Then commas, you have to put a comma in between. And then full stops. In this also, end of the sentence, you have to put the full stop. Number one, he drew the picture neatly, quickly, and beautifully. What is it? Read again. He drew the picture neatly, quickly, and beautifully. So, how will you write that? He drew, H capital. He drew. Number one, he drew, H capital. He drew the picture neatly. After writing neatly, comma. He drew the picture neatly, comma. Don't forget, all I have to put a comma there. Okay? Put a comma. Then next one, quickly. After this, you have to write quickly. Then and beautifully. And beautifully. He drew the picture neatly. Neatly means his picture was very nice, very neat. Quickly, and he drew very fast. And beautifully. After neatly put comma, okay? And beautifully, then put full stop. After beautifully, full stop. He drew the picture neatly, quickly, and beautifully. He drew the picture neatly, quickly, and beautifully. Okay. Now, after writing this, last you have to put the full stop. Now, second one, number two. India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka participated in the conference. India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka participated in the conference. Conference means meeting. They all three countries participated in the meeting. They three attempted the meeting. So, how will you write India I capital? India I capital. India, all of you write India I capital. India. After India, put a comma. After India, put a comma. After India, comma. Then Bhutan, B capital. That is also name of a country. Bhutan, B capital. Bhutan. India, comma, Bhutan. Then and Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka, S capital. Sri, S capital. Lanka, L capital. Lanka, L capital. India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka participated in the conference. Then full stop. Participated in the conference. Participated in the conference. Then full stop. India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka participated in the conference. After conference, full stop. Conference spelling, all of you check. CONFERENCE. 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 Now we will write number 3. Now we will write number 3. Now we are going to write number 3. Students study English, Hindi, and science in secondary school. Students study English, Hindi, and science in secondary school. So in this, students S capital, first letter, students S should be capital. Students S should be capital. Students study English. Students study English, E capital. Students study English, E capital. Then comma, after English, comma, then Hindi, H capital, because these are the languages name, subjects name. English, E capital, then comma, H capital. English, Hindi, and science as capital. Science as capital. And science as capital. In secondary school. In secondary school. After school, full stop. After school, full stop. Students study English, Hindi, and science in secondary school. Now we have to write number 4. Children, now we have to write number 4. From number 4 onwards, we will write tomorrow. From number 4 onwards, we will write tomorrow because today's time is getting over. Okay. Thank you, children. And homework will be learn from page 109. Learn from page 109. I'll write on the board. Okay. Thank you.